question is a simple ASKC equilibrium question, and you tackle it the same way as any other. First of all, you find out what you've got at the start or initial, and then what you've got at equilibrium. Well, at the start we've got 1 mole of ammonia, and we've got none of the nitrogen or the hydrogen. Well, it tells us that 50% of the compound dissociates, so 50% of 1 mole is 0.5. So equilibrium, we're left with 1 take away 0.5, which is 0.5 moles. And we simply look at the mole ratio. So, since the number of moles of nitrogen to ammonia is 1 to 1/2, therefore if we have a loss, if we formed 0.5 moles, if it was a 1-to-1, we would have formed 0.5 moles of nitrogen, but it isn't, it's half as much, so we will have formed 0.5 over 2 moles. And the same with hydrogen. If it was a 1-to-1 ratio, we would have formed 0.5 moles of hydrogen, but the ratio isn't, it's 3 over 2 times 0.5. So therefore, at equilibrium, the total number of moles of gas is 0.5 plus 0.5 over 2, which is 0.25, which is plus 0.5 times 3 over 2, which is 0.75, which gives a total of 1.5.